Hello everyone, I am Soo-Young Lee and I work in the Echocardiography Lab at the Cardiovascular Center in Busan National University Yangsan Hospital. We will go over the structure and the hemodynamics of the heart. We will first learn about the cardiac structure and then explore about the hemodynamics and the physiology of the heart. The heart is located within the mediastinum at the chest wall. The cardiac silhouette can be examined by X-ray. So you should train yourself to visualize 3D images by looking at 2D images of the patients. Let's now take a look at the anterior and the posterior views of the heart. When you are looking for a PDA in echo, these are the coronary vessels. LCC is where the left main coronary artery originates from.